Good morning, dear children. Be gratitude. You say thank you to God who protect us from the evils. Now you all are welcome to the social class. In this class, we are going to see the past and present second lesson. We are going to see the past and present second lesson. The topic of the lesson is the Egyptian civilization. The first lesson we have seen one civilization, that is the Mesopotamian civilization. The whole week, the last week fully we have seen that lesson. In that lesson we have learned that the civilizations are started, each and every civilization. If it is an Harappan Mohenjo-daro civilization, if it is an Sindhu River civilization, yes, every civilizations are started in the river valleys. Why? Because the people lived the primary source, that is first they have started to gather food, depend upon the food crops are available in which place, there only the people gathered and lived. Now we can see the lesson, the Egyptian civilization. Here, if we are telling that Egypt means, we will remember that world wonders, the pyramid. The pyramid is the world wonder, which one is built by the Egyptians. Here, some ancient sources about to know about the archaeological sources helps us to learn about that Egyptian civilizations. The main source is the pyramids. Here you see the Egyptian civilization started near the Nile River. The Nile River only the main reason for the development of this Egyptian civilization. You see, these people, some of the people may be gathered near that river for the source of food and agriculture. How we can produce the crops and everything, how we can do this work of the agriculture. Irrigation is the main source, main need for the agriculture. For irrigation we need water, so the people lived near the river Nile in Egypt. The Egyptian people lived near the Nile river and they have started to live there. Because of this, the Egyptian civilization came up near the Nile river. Then there some periods are given here. The old kingdom, the period extended from 2649 BC to 2100 BC. Now we can see that the middle kingdom period is 2055 BC to 1700 BCE. Then the new kingdom, old kingdom, middle kingdom and new kingdom. The old kingdom 2649 BC to 2150. The middle kingdom 2055 BC to 1700 BC, that is 2055 to 1700 BCE. Then the new kingdom extends to 1550 BC to 1070 BC. The BC and AD we have learned in 6th standard. BC will be the descending order. AD will be in the ascending order. Now we are in the AD 2020. Last year you have studied in 6th standard. Now we are studying in 7th standard. 2021 you have started your 7th standard in 2021. But if it is in BC, it will be considered as you have studied in 2021, now it is 2020, like that. Ascending and descending orders difference already we have learned. Now we can see the social classes of the ancient Egyptians. Now you see who is the king of that Egypt. Pharaoh is the king of the Egypt. Here so many social classes are there. You see this one. First, the Pharaoh, the leader. He is the king. He is worshipped as a god. Several places they have the idols of that Pharaoh. Then government officials are coming under that Pharaoh. Here who is coming, you see? Vizier, priest, nobles. Then after that government officials, soldiers and auditors. First Pharaoh, government officials. Under this government officials there are viziers, priests and nobles are coming. Then after that there is the soldiers, and after that the auditors. After that auditors there are scribes, then merchants, then craftsmen, then peasants. Peasants before the slaves only. Then the slaves are in the social the bottom of the social ladder. In the Mesopotamian civilization also we have learned that slaves are in the bottom of the social ladder. There are 4 social society is considered as 4 level, but here are several type of divisions in the social life. The society is in several types. Several divisions are there. Pharaoh, government officials, soldiers, auditors, scribes, merchants, craftsmen, then peasants, and later the slaves. Dear children, here you see that is also considered as in the pyramid model. That Egyptian civilization, that the pyramids are very famous, very popular. Nowadays also we are learning that pyramids. No, we can see that pyramids nowadays also. Now it is also world wonder. Then dear children, in the next class we will see the remaining parts of this lesson. Okay, the